Hi guys, it's Tracy and I'm back with a new video, and today's video is going to be the Boxycharm Premium box. So this is the $35 box. My lighting looks kind of weird. I don't know what's going on here. Do we have lights on? We have lights on. Okay, I don't know what's... Okay, well, we'll just have to deal with it. If it's weird, then we'll be good. So today's the Boxycharm Premium. It's $35 a month. You get 6 to 7 full-size items. And it's supposed to be $250 value unless it is a one branded box, like next month, which will be a Fenty one branded box with a value of $143. So I don't really dig the one brand thing and then they chop the price, you know, by $100. That seems like a lot. We have the Chihuahua Symphony, of course. Oh, good Lord. So yeah, if it's a one branded box, then it's gonna be less than the $250. But if it's like a variety of boxes, it'll be the $250, which is very interesting this month because I did a little bit of digging on one of the products once I saw it revealed, and I was already thinking this along with one of my subscribers who we've been messaging back and forth, and I started, and we have the claw, and we started thinking, and I think I mentioned it in last month's video, that I think Boxycharm is making brands up to put in the box, to inflate the price of the box, because we're seeing more and more items that are that's the only item the company has. They have no social media presence. Then they have a social media platform that pops up on Instagram that has one picture. It's the only product they have. They haven't been announced or tried PR or promoting themselves, and then just like all of a sudden, like last month, those 3 eyeliners by St. Lux Beauty. Crappy eyeliners, and who's ever heard of that company before? I don't think I know anybody. That was the first product they ever had, and I assume like we probably won't hear from them again unless they have another item that goes in a box. And this month, same case. So when I get into the box, I'll tell you, and you guys let me know what you think, if you guys have been thinking along the same lines as myself and some other people. And I am gonna link up in the corner here Elizabeth Wolf. She does a lot of Boxycharm, you know, digging and trying to find stuff out and like sneak peeks, and she's got receipts, and like you guys know I don't do receipts. I don't know how to do that. I can't barely add a picture into a video. So I saw her video and I was like, I had thought the same thing, and so she got like an answer from Joe, and it's kind of, I don't know, it kind of all sounds suspicious, as Bailey Sarian would say, like suspicious to me and some other people. Let's see what we got in the box. So on my eyes today is the Palm Springs palette. I got this from my lovely friend Lori for one of my birthday palettes. So that's what's on my eyes. Oh, did I even like let you guys see? There. Okay, and then on my lips, I just have a Becca Bullet lipstick, and I can't see that small, so I don't really know the shade, but this was a Boxycharm item as well. And back there, so you can't even see them. Like, my daughter brought me the most gorgeous bouquet of flowers for my birthday Saturday. I mean, they're huge. And she brought me this cake that was in this box. Like, I mean, it was humongous. We were in a food tamale cake coma like all weekend, but it was so good. So yeah, I don't mind being 50. Anyhow, so let's get into the box. This is what it looks like. Here is the card. So let's see here. The first thing we have is the Karity Picante palette, and this was an item that I chose. We had the choice of this or I want to say like a flat iron maybe, and I definitely don't need a flat iron because I don't, the only time I ever have flat ironed hair, or not even flat ironed, is more like blown out, is when my daughter does it for me. So this is what this looks like. It's so pretty. It's got really pretty colors in it. I mean, it's a warm neutral kind of palette, but it's pretty. So I much rather would play with this than have a flat iron. So super pretty. And now you can find Karity products at some select CVS stores. I've started mentioning them a little bit here and there in my beauty deals videos. So if you're new and you missed this week's beauty deals, I'll go ahead and pop a card up there and you can see what's on sale at the drugstore this week. But they are in select CVS stores now. And then if they go on sale, I let you guys know, all that good stuff. So that is a $29 palette. Next up, we have the Glow recipe. This is their Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, and this is $28. But I know the mist is ultra fine on it because I've seen it. Oh wow! Ooh, it smells so good. Oh my God, it smells like the sleeping mask. Ooh, that's nice. So that's $29. $28. Okay, next up. Ooh. An Hourglass blush. This is their ambient lighting blush. This is a $40 blush. The shade Diffused Heat. So the packaging is really, really nice. And it has a mirror. And so this is the shade. Let's do a little bit of swatching and see what we come up with. Kind of a pinky, not real pigmented, but I guess that's Hourglass's whole thing is like, I guess why it's called diffused. So I will be very interested to play with that. I don't think I've ever had a blush that cost $40. Okay, and then the next item, this is the item that people are talking about. So this is this 24K Gold Foil Moisturizer, and it's by a brand called Faccia, F-A-C-C-I-A, which is skin in Italian. So this, let me see where my notes are. Ugh, okay, so I did a little bit of digging. I don't have receipts and all that, but I was like, where did this even come from? So like I said, you guys can watch Elizabeth's video because she goes into a lot more detail. But Boxycharm says that this right here is $100. Okay, we are talking more than Drunk Elephant Proteiny Peptide. We're talking more than Sunday Riley Good Jeans or Tidal Wave, that's it, moisturizer. I mean, they are claiming a lot of money for this thing, $100, okay? So when I first saw that this was gonna be in the box, I'm like, who is that even? And I couldn't find anything anywhere. I didn't see their name. I didn't see a website. I did not see, anything. Like, there was no information. They had no Instagram page. They had nothing. Now they have an Instagram page and they have a website. And this is the only product that they have. What is going on with Boxycharm and these one-off brands that claim to be so high price tagged, $100? Boxycharm keeps putting these brands in the boxes that I'm all for indie brands, do not get me wrong. I love to find new brands, you know, that I haven't tried, that are making great products. But when they constantly keep putting one-offs, and this is the only thing they have, and they're claiming such a high price tag, okay, this is what it looks like. I mean, it looks nice, you know, I mean, it doesn't look bad. It looks pretty. So the first two ingredients are water and glycerin. Okay, two of the cheapest ingredients that you can put into a skincare product. Water, I mean, so people were like looking at this, and then of course, you guys know I like to shop on some AliExpress. Ladies, you can find this like from $4 to like $10. It's being sold in the Facebook group anywhere from like $8 to $20. And it's just a very generic looking product. It looks like it's a private, that's what I'm getting at, is this looks to me like a private label brand. Like someone else, a third party is making the product, and then you're putting it into your product, and you're saying, here's this product that I created, which you did create it. You put it in the package and you packaged it up and you sent it off. So just Boxycharm and these brands that only have one item, and like you've never heard of them, you've never seen them, you've never heard anyone talk about them, and you probably will never see them again. If you go to their website, it's called facciaskin.com. The only thing they have here is their 24 karat gold foil moisturizer, $100. And then they have a mask trio coming soon. That's all they have. I mean, their website is very generic and basic. That you can see the moisturizer and the face masks that are coming soon, probably in one of our boxes. They have the Faccia mission. We believe you never should settle. So we've spent the last year creating and testing products and formulas that perform well without compromising on the full luxury experience. Okay, full luxury, $100 is a complete luxury experience. So if I was paying $100 for this, I would be expecting a luxury experience. So they're saying without compromising on the full luxury experience, and you're charging $100? They say they're a truly unique blend of science, health, and research to create performance-based products. Our ingredients are sourced around the world to create the most revitalizing skincare products. We're not your average brand. We've decided to take the unconventional route and completely launch our first product, 24 karat gold moisturizer, through Boxycharm, who we all know and trust. We wanted real reviews, real men and women to experience beauty and our products and give us the proper feedback. With Faccia, you no longer need to choose between high-performance ingredients, performance and high-end ingredients. You can have both. For $100, you can have a lot more than both from Drunk Elephant, Sunday Riley, or any other luxury skincare brand. So yes, they did partner with Boxycharm because Boxycharm is well known. Now, they said they wanted real feedback. If you go to Boxycharm's website, you can go and you can leave reviews every month. You can only leave reviews on items that you personally received in your box. There are people on there that you look and there's 5 hearts. They haven't even tried the product. How can you give a skincare product 5 stars or 5 hearts and that you love it and it's the best thing ever? And then if you look at what the person wrote, it'll say, can't wait to try this. You can't wait to try it and you gave it 5 hearts. How is that honest and real feedback? We all know skincare takes a good 4 weeks. 4 to 6 to 8 weeks. I would say anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks before you can truly see anything with skincare. We all know that. So these people that are going on and leaving these, I say fake reviews because they're not reviews. So if you're going on Boxycharm to look at things, make sure you're reading what the people have actually written down when they've got the product. If it's the first of the month, I mean, I got mine, today's the 12th, I think. I got mine yesterday, the 11th. And if I were to go put a review up and say, oh, 5 hearts, love it, I can't. Can you trust me? No. So it's just weird. I don't mean to be like harsh, but it just seems really, really odd to me that Boxycharm keeps popping up with these really random brands that that have never had a social media presence, never heard of. I mean, they put the Jonta blue eyeliners in our boxes. Those are only $5, so okay, whatever. But have you ever heard of them? No, I've never seen them anywhere. I've never heard of them anywhere other than Boxycharm. So I don't know what, I just don't know. I mean, we've come to trust Boxycharm. We know we get great items, but when they keep throwing these products in every month, they're putting this in because they're saying, oh, look, $100. So your box is worth over $200. Those eyeliners last month, what was it, like $55? Those eyeliners were horrible. And I'm like, who launches an eyeliner as their first brand, their first product? Like who? Like, that's just a weird product to release as like a first item. I'm just, you guys have to let me know what you guys think. If you guys get the box, what do you guys feel or think, or when you're seeing these one-off type brands in your boxes, and like you're just kind of like, where did this come from? Because that's what I'm thinking is, I'm thinking, where did this come from? This looks like something which I could get off AliExpress. I already told you I've looked at AliExpress. I looked on Wish. So this is not anything, the formula is not anything revolutionary. It's similar to a lot of the ones on AliExpress. To me, this is definitely not $100. Like, I don't even know if I want to use it, because it's just like, what, let's see, look at it, it's like the milk primer, that Hydro Grip primer. That's what it feels like. It has fragrance. I can smell the fragrance in it right off the bat. So I don't know. I don't know if I want to use this. I don't know if I want to put that. It looks like glue. I don't know. I want to know what you guys think. Are you guys like thinking the same thing with these brands that keep coming in the box? Let me know. I know I'm not alone. I know I'm not alone. So I want to hear from you guys though, and know what you guys are thinking. So next up here we have a Korres body butter, and this is guava. And it says it is 93.9% natural. Let's see. It's nice and sealed. It's a nice big bottle. And I just ran out of my hemps. It smells pretty good. $32. Elasticity, I just need it like on my whole body. And that would be good. And I think that is it. No, wait, there's supposed to be, oh, okay. And the last item we got is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. And this is $30. And let's just see what the bottle looks like. Hydrating primers are always nice. Nice, pretty little bottle. So I will definitely use that. So I added up the total of the box here, and the total of the box is $259. So, okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button before you leave. And if you're a returning watcher, thanks for coming back. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are all having a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.